If Snapchat notifications are not working on your Android device, this issue may stem from a variety of causes such as system settings, app configurations, or background restrictions. Here is how you can fix it step by step. First, check your Android system's notification settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage App depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on notifications, and make sure Allow notifications is enabled. Also ensure that all categories like chats, stories, etc. are turned on. Next, open Snapchat. Tap your profile icon, then go to gear icon to enter settings. Tap on notifications and ensure all types of alerts you want are enabled. If they are already on, toggle them off and back on again to refresh the settings. Check whether your device is in Do Not Disturb or silent mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings and disable Silent or switch to Ring mode to allow alerts. Additionally, ensure Snapchat can use background data. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps again, then Snapchat, then Data Uses or Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. The settings depends on your phone model and turn on background data. If the app still isn't pushing notifications, clear its cache. Open Snapchat, then go to Settings again, then Clear Cache and select Clear All. Sometimes a corrupted cache can prevent notifications from working correctly. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Visit the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if it's available. If updating doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset its configuration. Restarting your device can also help resolve temporary bugs or system glitches. Simply press and hold the power button and select Restart. If that doesn't help, try logging out and back into your Snapchat account through Settings, then log out. After trying these steps, you should start receiving notifications again. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.